Want that new skin but don't know how to snag Valorant points in India using your debit card? I'm here to break it down. First, fire up Valorant and head straight to the in-game store located at the top right of your screen. Look for the big VP icon. Now, you will land on this screen and you'll see a selection of Valorant Points packages with different price tags. Pick the amount you need. Remember to check how many VP you need for the skin or item you are eyeing. Next, it's payment time. You will see different options to pay. Select debit, credit card option here. On the secure payment gateway, enter your debit card details carefully. Your 16-digit card number, the expiry date, CVV, and your name as it appears on the card. Double check everything before proceeding. Once you've filled in the details, hit that Pay Now button. It may redirect to your bank's page for an OTP verification. Enter the OTP you receive on your registered mobile number. And that's it. Once the transaction is successful, your Valorant points will be instantly added to your account. Time to grab that awesome skin.